Good morning, students. Open your English Beehive book. Music lets me forget bad experience. You cannot keep rag and regrets in your mind together. Said by Ustad Bismillah Khan. Today we are going to read Unit 2, The Sound of Music, Part 2, The Shehnai of Bismillah Khan. As its first part, Evelyn Glennie, we have already done. So, let's start with the introduction of this chapter. This chapter gives in brief the life story of the great musician Bismillah Khan. He is a Shehnai maestro. It also tells us about the origin of the Shehnai. Bismillah Khan is one of the greatest personalities of Hindustani music. He belonged to the Banaras Gharana. He was born in Dumrao in Bihar. His interest in music was visible from his childhood. As a Shehnai player, he has won national and international awards. He has travelled all over the world. He has also been awarded the nation's highest civilian award, the Bharat Ratna. Bismillah Khan thinks that music can bridge the gap between different communities. So, he wanted that music should be made a compulsory subject in all the schools. Let's discuss the summary of the chapter. This chapter tells us about the origin of the Indian musical instrument Shehnai. It also gives the life history of the great Shehnai player Bismillah Khan. It is said that in the past a musical instrument called pungi used to be played in palaces before the kings and nawabs, but Aurangzeb did not like the shrill and unpleasant sound of the pungi, so he banned the playing of this musical instrument in the royal residence. There was a barber who belonged to a family of musicians. He chose a pipe with a natural hollow stem that was longer and broader than the original pungi. He carved 7 holes on the body of the pipe. When he played on it, closing and opening some of these holes, an impressive sonorous tonal sound was produced. The barber played it before the king and his courtiers. Everybody was impressed. The instrument was called Shehnai because it was first played in the Shah's chamber and was invented by a Nai, that is, barber. Gradually, the Shehnai became very popular. Even as a child, Bismillah Khan won many awards. He performed at the All India Music Conference in Allahabad at the age of 14 years. On the day of independence, 15th August 1947, he played at the Red Fort in front of Jawaharlal Nehru. In 2001, he was awarded the Bharat Ratna, the highest civilian award in the country. Bismillah Khan is fondly called Khan Saab. He has travelled all over the world and got honours in every country. Now, we will understand the theme of our chapter, Bismillah Khan. The feature is written on the theme that music transcends all barriers. It was Bismillah Khan's secular approach to the music that he sharpened his skill without any bias towards the source of his opportunities. Now, before we start the explanation of our chapter, let's understand the title of this chapter, The Shehnai of Bismillah Khan. The title, The Sound of Music, and the subtitle, The Shehnai of Bismillah Khan, are very appropriate as they are in accord with the contents of the feature, which celebrates the melodious music produced by Bismillah Khan's Shehnai. It also describes Bismillah Khan's evolution and achievements as a pioneering Shehnai player.